Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces ng reading na ito. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Now, Leo, bakit parang medyo meron tayong kaunting pagsisisi dahil masyado nating binigay ang ating loob or ang tiwala kay person. I feel like naiisip lang natin. Sana pala nagtimpi ako ng kaunti, no? One thing is for sure, there's a tiwala, no? There's someone broke your trust. I feel like whether this is kaibigan, crushes, no, itong ka-MU mo, or yung person mo mismo if you are in a relationship. Kasi parang pinaikot-ikot ka pa. Kasi with what I am seeing in here, siguro may sinabi itong person mo, naniwala ka agad. And I think that the problem is not with you kasi ikaw ay nagmamahal lamang, no, Leo. Ang nangyari kasi dito is meron pang parang hidden, hindi naman hidden agenda. May backstory kung bakit nangyari yung mga bagay. Let's just say, hindi naman, well, sabihin na natin yung pinaka-common pera. Kasi I'm seeing also pentacles in here. No? Hindi man ito yung pinaka dahilan, pero close to this, no? Let's say, nanghiram ng kaunti. Yung totoong nangangailangan. So, nandun tayo sa part na, okay, meron akong pantulong, bakit hindi? No? But then again, itong pangangailangan niya, it's because of your person's own doings. So, pwedeng dahil siya may kasalanan, bakit naubusan siya? No, ngayon, ang sinasabi mo dito, para kasi hindi aksidente itong information na binigay ni person, no? It just so happened, pwede rin itong yung part na meron kang nakita, tinanong, sinagot niya, na-upset ka. Kumbaga, caught, parang na-corner. So, parang itong si person is wala na akong choice kung di magsabi. So, parang ang naiisip mo dito, kung hindi ko pa itanong, no, kung hindi pa tayo umabot sa ganitong question and answer, wala ka palang balak sabihin sa akin. So, I feel like na feeling mo, your person deceived you. Feeling mo, your person here gives you wrong information or nagtago, no? Sa mga singles, I feel like at first, di ba, naghahanap tayo ng jowa or we're looking for potential, no? Biglang may isip, ay, oy, sandali. I feel like hindi sabi mo sa akin ganito. So, sabi mo sa akin ganito, blah, blah, yada, yada. Then may nakarating sa akin information or nakita ko na parang hindi naman pala ganon. So, are you lying? So, questionable na agad ang iyong record sa akin. No? Sa mga crushes, parang sinasabi mo, sandali, bakit naman may crush ka pang iba? Nandito naman ako. No? So, I feel like ang tagal ko lang may crush sa iyo, tapos ito bago dumating. Medyo masakit. Oo, alam ko. Hindi ko naman pwedeng diktahan kung sino yung gusto mong mahalin, no? Or magustuhan. Pero sana na-consider mo ako, no? Sa no labels or situationship, I feel like parang ganun din sa crushes, no? Ay, bakit sandali? Nauna ako, di ba? Bakit naibaling sa iba? in a relationship or marriage situation, what I am seeing in here is ang feeling mo, no? Um, medyo nawawala itong pagtingin ni person. Third party, lumalamig, no? With the Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Ten of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. Ten of Wands is clarified by the Two of Swords and the Knight of Cups. So parang nandito ka sa situation na sandali, wait lang ha, magbaback off muna ako. Or hindi ko man ika-cut, no? Pero it almost feels like cutting off. Dun, yung puso mo parang gusto munang ipahinga, no? Ayoko munang patabukin, nahihirapan ako, pero kailangan kong gawin. So you are more in tune with the logic. And that's good. Wala namang masama doon. Kasi what you are protecting is for you not to be hurt. And that's okay, no? Pero I feel like hindi naman ito yung part na meron man kayong mga challenges na parating dito sa all labels of relationship, no? I think that this is the time medyo lalamlam, medyo hindi masyadong mag-progress dahil kailangan ipahinga. So may cooling off stage, parang ganon, or hindi pag-uusap, energetic separation, no? Or it might be a combination of physical and energetic separation. Para po sa mga bago, yung physical separation is self-explanatory. Pwedeng si person nasa kabilang bahay, nasa tapat ng bahay ninyo, no? Your person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent. Ayan. In physical, no? Hindi kayo may gap. Energetic separation, pwede naman magkasama kayo sa bahay, nakikita kayo sa school, nakikita kayo sa opisina, pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. So there's still some barricade, there's still some walls, there's still some gap. I feel like this gap will become a little wider dahil sa tampo. I feel like this is more of tampo rather than kailangan lang ipahinga, kailangan lang huminga uli. Kailangan ko lang mag-isip, no? Para at least maintindihan ko rin yung sarili ko, bakit ganito yung reaction ko. It might be from the past trauma, or do I really feel like I need some time, no? Kailangan ko ng oras para makapagmuni-muni. Ayan. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, dun po tayo nagla-live. So, that's Babaylan TV. Kung di nyo po yun maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as in question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question for your reference, no? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Capricorn, Cancer. No? This is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just